is a crocodile there, and the birds flying all over.
Night up to 5:45. 5:40.
And this was a bird flying there.
What is the nice season means for more birds?
Now season, they go some lakes or private lands. They carry for the babies, for female and the male both also. Now you see only subadult babies. They all sit in here.
Wow.
They all